Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Cube Matte Black Spray Paint 600 ml. So without wasting time, let us quickly unbox it. This comes in all the paper packing, nothing else. So I have purchased this can for 190 rupees. The quantity is 600 ml. I am using this for my Honda bike. There are some rusting issue and some dent and color fade away, so to touch up and for those issue I am using this. So it has expiry of November 2023. You need to shake well before using and need to remove this protective white cap. When you are using this spray, you should wear mask because it's very bad for your health. So it's very easy to use. You just need to aim on the applied portion and press the black top side button and it will effectively spray on the surface. You can apply for 2-3 coating if you want a long lasting effect, but after the first coating you need to wait for at least 10 minutes for better result, and it is very fast drying. Even after 5 minutes it dried completely. I have tried it personally, that's why I can say. So I already painted use it on my bike and it is working okay for around 4-5 days now. We have to see this how it lasts for a long time, but I think for 190 rupees it's absolutely value for money. You can definitely purchase it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. So it is little bit difficult to put the cap back on, but after 1-2 times so you can get used to it.